How to create poll in Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. I am back again here with a quick and easy tutorial on how you can create poll in Messenger. So let's get started. Firstly, after you open your Messenger application, open the group chat where you want to create your poll. After that, click on the plus icon at the bottom left corner. Once you click on it, here you will see three options, from which click on the second option that says polls. Once you click on it, here you will see you can add your question as well as options in order to create your poll. Once you create your poll, finally click on the blue button that says create poll. Wait for a second and your poll will be created. Now the persons in group chat will be able to vote to your poll. So there you have it. In this easy and simple way, you can create poll in Messenger. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.